Let's make soup dumplings, or what they call it, Xiaolongbao. First thing first, cabbage. We need to get rid of that juice. Salt it and let it rest for at least 1 hour. We need 200 grams of strong flour, 2 grams of salt, and add about 120 grams of warm water. Mix it together with your wooden spoon and use your beautiful hand. Knead it into the bowl. And now that dough comes together, you can bring it on the surface and knead it beautifully. Perfect. It's super elastic and smooth. Let it rest for at least 1 hour. Now time to make our filling. We need spring onions, fine chopped, thanks to a scraper, we clean our working surface, and we have ginger, again fine chopped ginger, and garlic, which is 3 cloves of garlic for this recipe. Bring a bowl, add the ground pork, or could be ground beef, but with a good amount of fat. Add your vegetables plus roasted cabbage. And now time to season it. Some sesame oil, some dark soya, of course. I added some vinegar, sugar, oyster sauce, black pepper for the taste and seasoning, and of course salt. Mix it together with your beautiful hands again. Now we need this bad boys, gelatin, which is simply the bones stock. Add it to it and let it chill into the fridge. Meanwhile, we can make our beautiful dough and knead it one more time. Release all the air inside of it. Separate it into 2 beautiful dough, and time to shape it. And cut it into pieces equally. Press it a bit. Beautiful. Alright, time to use our roller. Mine is a croissant roller, which is harder. It has to be a smaller roller for this process. That was my rarely first time making dumpling dough. But I'm telling you, it's worth it. Try to make it. Rotate it while you are rolling it. That's the only technique I learned. Rotate it and roll it. Rotate it and roll it. In this process, you need to have a very thin edges, and the center would be a bit thicker than the edges. So when you add your filling, it won't tear apart. Like this. Beautiful. And thanks to my lovely girlfriend, I don't need to do the shaping. Anyway, that was her first time too. But we enjoyed it. Make it and you will love it. That's it. That's all you need to know for the soup dumplings, or Xiaolongbao. Time to steam these bad boys for 10 to 12 minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching us.